Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix your WhatsApp is restricted. Solution is over here. Now guys, if you get that message saying your WhatsApp account has been restricted, basically because of some unusual activities that WhatsApp doesn't accept, I'll show you how you're gonna fix it. Now quick one guys, you need to come to your Chrome on your phone, then go ahead and search for WhatsApp support. In the search bar over here, search for WhatsApp support. So when you search for WhatsApp support, tap on this first page, WhatsApp support. Then after that, you go ahead and scroll down, and then you'll see over here, this one says contact us. Tap on it. Then you'll be landing on this page over here. Now, what you're going to do is quite simple. You need to send WhatsApp an official email on their email. And as you're typing this email, you need to type in the following message. So you type in this saying, my account was restricted. I request for a review. So you shall go ahead and copy this. And then you go ahead and paste this on the official WhatsApp support email. And then once you do that, you then be awaiting for the feedback from WhatsApp. So in most cases, the feedback comes within 24 to 48 hours. Okay, so thanks for watching guys. We shall meet